All right, today in just 3 minutes, we are going to make the most delicious power bowl you can have for breakfast. You can have it for lunch. You can have it for dinner. It's packed with protein. It's got veggies. It's got it all. And at the end, I'm going to show you how to take this meal and turn it into a fun little snack you can have anytime. Let's go. All right, so ingredient number one, I always like to start my meals with protein. Protein, protein, protein. Today's protein is, drum roll, an egg. That's right. And we are going hard boiled egg today. So boil it in water. I got one of these dash things on Amazon, which I love. You could do 7 hard boiled eggs at a time. Very cool. So it doesn't matter how you do it, or just buy them prepackaged. It's even faster. So hard boiled egg. And what we're going to do is just add it to a bowl. You could have 2, you could have 3. I'm going to have 3 today for lunch. So we put the eggs aside. Now, ingredient number 2, I'm such a fan of riced vegetables. This is a combination of rice, broccoli, and cauliflower. So we're going to turn on the stove, about medium heat, let the pan heat up. And you could do rice broccoli, you could do rice cauliflower. Again, this is a combination. Go with whatever you like. But what I love about these kind of vegetables, they work with any protein, with eggs, with salmon, with tuna, with chicken, with steak, anything. So now the pan's getting heated up. I'm just going to use a little bit of olive oil, just not even like a capsule, a little bit. All right, the pan is ready. I'm putting these on frozen. So these go right in frozen. And it takes probably about 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes as you're mixing it. That's it. And I just continue to mix it and you start feeling it getting soft. So as that's cooking, let's go back to the eggs. Okay, before we add ingredient number 3, all we're going to do is mush up the eggs here. We are making a take on egg salad, but it's 10 times healthier than egg salad drenched in mayonnaise. All right, so once the eggs are mushed or smushed or whatever I'm New York, okay, mush them up. So instead of mayo, we are using cottage cheese. I've been using cottage cheese more and more. I've been using it with tuna, with chicken salad. And I was really hesitant at first. I'm like, there's no way it's going to taste good. And it is incredible. So you can always start with less and add more. This is a fat-free cottage cheese. I'm going to start with just a tablespoon. Again, you can always add more. You can't take it away once you're in. And it's already starting to come together here. I'm probably just going to get half tablespoon more, maybe 3/4. And people say, well, Ryan, what's the exact measurement? It just depends on your taste. But I'm finding the cottage cheese goes really well with things like chicken and tuna and eggs and salmon. So we've got our egg salad. Let's put that to the side to rest. I don't know what that means, but chefs say. All right, so now we're back and these vegetables are almost ready. Again, it was just a little bit of olive oil. Of course, you can add salt. You can add pepper. You could go crazy. And speaking of seasoning, let's go back to the end. I get a lot of people say, Ryan, add spices and salt and pepper. You could do whatever you want. I don't tend to over season my stuff because I want you to make those decisions. But if you want to go a little crazy, why not add some everything bagel directly to the egg salad? Just a little bit of flavor. Oh, I love a good everything bagel. I'll have links to them below. Okay, I think the veggies are almost ready. Yes, vegetables are ready. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this into the bowl. Now from here, you have 2 options. Either you scoop the egg salad directly on top of the vegetables and just keep it as is. So I'm going to do that right here. Oh, really good. So now you've got your 2 layers and you could just kind of scoop up the vegetables with the egg salad. It's really, really good. Or if you want to go nuts, mix it all up into one thing. There's no right or wrong. And as I said, this works well for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, because some people say, well, I can only have eggs for breakfast. Here you go. After you can eat it right out of the bowl, which is what I usually do. Or I teased earlier in the video, you could turn it into a little snack. I once said snacky snack and some guy commented, I'm unsubscribing. You said snack. So if you want to make it really healthy, celery, just put it right onto the celery, crunch away, have at it. Or if I like to eat, I say like 90% of my meals are really clean and healthy, but there's sometimes you want to crunch, you want to have something that maybe a little bit salty. Like these are avocado oil potato chips. So what I like to do sometimes, again, if I'm feeling a little, snacky, I'll take a big chip and I'll put the egg salad right on it and just crunch away. So there's no right or wrong way. The only wrong thing you could do is not subscribe to this channel, is not hit the subscribe buttons, because I know you're going to do that because you want to catch more of these incredible recipes. There's so much more. And we are really just getting started with cottage cheese. And speaking of cottage cheese, check out this next video. Oh, that was good.